What's up, guys? It's Flopping Groper here with a bearish update, particularly on some of these meme coins here. So, as you guys can see, we're not really seeing the super high volume that we were getting at the onset of this run, and that was the last time our daily blue waves were super high, and it was like a false signal, and we just kept pumping up higher and higher. And so you'd think that maybe Pepe and a lot of these other meme coins that look the exact same are about to do something similar because you see the money flow creeping in. But in my opinion, we're just not seeing the increase in volume like I would want to see. And also, if you slap an anchored VWAP on the very highest, this is where the Pepe market, was shocked by an incredible amount of high volume here on February 24th. And yes, we did come over it, but it really looks like a retest is very necessary. The 200-day moving average here could also use a retest. And while we are kind of still floating over that ascending 5-day simple, if that became resistance and started dragging down, then this signal would be even more certain. And so I would expect potentially a full rotation to the downside of this channel here. So we could dump potentially 50% from here, making this kind of like just a bear market rally. Or we could just kind of form like a bullish right shoulder here with this low here, and then you could form a nice bottom there if we did come down and find some support on that VWAP from that super high volume point in the market. So memes, I'm quite bearish. Like if you look at SHIB, it's similar. This is very hidden bearish divergence. So a hidden bearish divergence is when the waves are getting more overbought, but the price is not succeeding in going higher. So we've pretty much maintained a flat level here, and yet the waves are way more overextended. And you could actually extend this out a little bit further too. So technically, like you had a red dot down here, right? And so this is a red dot that's lower, and yet the price was higher. So see this downward pressure, the disagreement between the price and the oscillator. So that's what I'm seeing on a lot of these memes. What happens if you put a VWAP here? So yeah, on SHIB, you can see that we're kind of maybe rejecting out of this range here, potentially. Let's check Bonk. Bonk also had some very high volume back here, but it was kind of like before the other one. So this was back in October of 2023. Bonk. Looks like Bonk is kind of over that, and it's actually over looking to potentially. I don't know. This is kind of a more of a bullish outlook because you see the shitcoin actually like looking to come back into the level 2 volatility band area. Not really sure yet. Maybe this does have to come down and tap the heart line of that VWAP there. So that would also be like a 50% dump, and that wouldn't look too abnormal there. But this actually does look like a little more bullish than some of the other shitcoins, just because of like where it's at in relation to its high volume VWAP. If we look at Floki, this is kind of a scary one. You can see already it's like rejecting off this VWAP here and the 200-day. Looking, oh yeah, we got that hidden bearish divergence right there with the higher wave and then the lower price top. And what happens if we place a VWAP on that high volume there? Looks like we're kind of rejecting off that midline a bit and wanting to potentially come down like 25 to like 50%. Like it just kind of looks like a bear market rally to me at this point. Don't want to like front run another bull run when I don't really see the volume. Like look at Brett. Brett just kind of looks the same, just hidden bearish divergent, and just not a good, at least not a good buy, right? It's not a good buy because you're buying at like the most overbought daily reading in like basically the whole year. So I don't really think these meme coins are good to FOMO into right now. And as for Bitcoin, There's like a trumpet pattern that I've been eyeing on Bitcoin for a while, and it's just now starting to make sense. Like when we were up here, I was drawing this trumpet and I felt like a lunatic, but now I'm feeling a little more confident about this move down to like the previous quarter and the previous month's anchored VWAPs here. It could be happening now because October's basically upon us. So maybe that's where we're headed right off the get-go, which is actually a healthy sign. So if we can actually just slice down here, maybe we get a bullish bounce there. But also, you guys got to remember that these VWAPs are not ironclad support and resistance. Sometimes there's like some overshoot, right? And so we could overshoot a little bit and then scoop up and go bullish in the middle of October. So just be mindful of that. And that's about it for this update, guys. Just a quick update before I go for my morning hike. And you guys stay blessed, stay safe, and talk to you soon.